What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Wordpress Wednesday. Today's going to be a short one where we get to talk about themes. Welcome back to the third episode of Wordpress Wednesday. Like I said, in this episode, we're going to talk about themes. To be completely honest, there isn't a whole lot that we can really talk about. The process of installing a theme and how to modify a theme. Other than that, because there's so many different themes and every theme is so different, it would be pointless for me to just show you one theme and how to modify it and what changes to make to it. So let's just go over the basics. First thing is going to be installing a theme. So go ahead and log into your website and navigate to the dashboard. From there, we're going to go to Appearance and Themes. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll notice that there are already a couple themes that are installed. You can select any of these, but in my opinion, they're not that great. So what we're going to do is in the top corner, we're going to hit Add New. From here, you can scroll through all of the popular, latest, and your favorite themes. If you see one you like, go ahead and select it and select Install. If you want to see it live in your website, you need to install it first and then you can hit Preview. Otherwise, you can just preview the theme and it'll allow you to see a basic rundown of what it can provide. If you want to search for a new theme, go ahead and search for a theme there. Otherwise, I normally recommend just going to the popular themes and scroll through it and see what you like. One of the themes that I like going with is Ocean WP. It provides, in my opinion, the most amount of customization, so I'm going to go ahead and install that by clicking Install. And once it's done installing, you can hit Activate. And like I said, you can see a live preview of the theme right here. But we're going to go ahead and hit Activate. And now that will be the active theme on our website. So let's go ahead and navigate to the website. And now you can see that's what's up. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple, but I like this as the foundation. So the next thing we're going to talk about is going to be how do you customize a theme. And there's a few different ways you can do this. Since we're already on this page, up top where you see Customize, you can go ahead and select that. And this will allow you to actually customize different portions of the theme while you're actually looking at your website. This is the method that I normally use just because I like being able to see the changes as I'm making them. So once this is done loading, I'll go ahead and show you that. Alright, so now that this is loaded, on the left hand side you can see all the different options. Site identity, colors, menus, widgets, homepage settings, and so on. All different themes are going to have different options here, which is one of the reasons why I didn't want to go into just customizing every single theme out there. It's pointless. But let's go ahead and look at a few. Site identity. For this, site title and tagline, self-explanatory. You can also select an image to use for the site icon. This is one of the items that most themes will have in common. So let's go into the colors, and here you can select and modify the header color. Same thing, going through the menus, we can select and change the locations of different menus and add items to the menus. You can also do this in the main dashboard as well. So it's kind of giving you an alternate method to do that. Next up is widgets. This is where in the first episode I mentioned WordPress being primarily a blog website or a blog hosting platform until you add a page builder or you modify it with HTML coding. This is an opportunity to do exactly that. It allows you to add different widgets into the website without actually adding anything in via HTML or the page builders. Same thing with the sidebars, footers, and again, different themes will have different items here, allowing you to customize it in whatever different ways you want to go. Next up, homepage settings. This is the same thing. In the dashboard, it allows you to select whether or not you want to have or what page you want to have as your home page and what page you want to have for your blog. Going through again, additional CSS. This is where if you are familiar with coding and CSS specifically, it allows you to modify the theme directly in this option. A lot of themes will also have this in common. And continuing through general options, this is where it allows you to modify a lot of the different styling of the web page. So in this case, it allows you to change a lot of the different colors of the text, and it also allows you to go in and change the text font. So this is getting a little redundant now, and going through each one of these is kind of pointless without being able to modify different things. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. Like I said, this is going to be a short episode discussing how to install the themes and how to do the basic modifications. And actually, before we go, I'll show you how to do one additional item with the themes. Going back into the dashboard. So each theme is going to have something a little bit different, but in this case, going into Appearance, we're able to modify the header. Some themes will have you modify them directly in the dashboard. This one actually brings you back to the live view of the website and just brings you directly to where you need to go, making it a little bit easier. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you didn't like it, why the hell are you still watching? See you guys next time. Peace.